story time. See, once there lived a Kiran and Kamala in a small village. They both were best friends and neighbors too. One day, while they were going to the school, in the morning, they both saw a heap of dirt. Near they felt, and they felt very bad seeing it, that dirt. So as they were late to the school, they went like that without doing anything about it. So while they were going to the school, they saw the public water tap near their house. So where there was a stagnant water and dust which looked so dirty. So to fill the water there. Then they could not fill their water bottle as it was very dirty and slippery due to the stagnant water and dust. So they went to the school with an empty water bottle. So they went to the school and discussed this with their teacher. So the teacher told that, see, it's our duty to keep our society clean and neat. So Kiran and Kamala, when they were coming back to the home after the school, they started to clean the heap of dirt which was accumulated near their house first. So both the Kiran and Kamala felt very happy looking at their neat and clean neighborhood. Then they went to clean near the water tap, which was a public water tap, so that they can fill the water bottle while they going to the school. So other people also can fill the water for drinking for their homes. So this Kiran and Kamala did the cleaning which was not done by anyone, and they felt very happy doing it as it would help all the neighbors to fill water in that place, and they fill it with a very clean and neat. This is about one small story. So let's continue one more story in our next class.